the sun. However, during its revolution, the Earth always remains tilted on its axis at a
The earth always remains tilted. What do you mean by tilted? थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा होना, okay? It remains tilted on its axis at an angle of 23.5 degree. So उससे क्या होता है? चलो let's see.
at an angle of 23.5 degree. As a result, at a certain time of the year, the northern hemisphere is bent towards the sun.
See, so what happens at a certain time? This is the northern hemisphere and it is tilted towards the sun. है ना? देखो ये sun की तरफ थोड़ा झुका हुआ है and southern hemisphere is away from the sun. So इससे क्या होगा? Sun rays जो है वो directly इस एरिया में आएगी. तो यहाँ पर कौन सा सीजन होगा? Summer. So summer will come here and as a result days will be longer and nights will be shorter and the opposite will occur in southern hemisphere. See, watch carefully.
While the southern hemisphere is away from it. At some other times, about 6 months later, the southern hemisphere is bent towards the sun, while the northern hemisphere is away from it.
Now see this.
Away.
After 6 months, the southern hemisphere is here and northern hemisphere is here. है ना? The southern hemisphere is towards the sun and northern hemisphere is उससे थोड़ा दूर है. So like this the seasons changes.
Away from it. The hemisphere, which is tilted towards the sun, gets the direct sun rays, so it is warmer. It has longer days and shorter nights. It has summer. At the
So you अभी आपने देखा अब यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Come on tell me. उसका opposite होगा. यहाँ पर कौन सा सीजन था? Summer season. तो यहाँ पर उसका opposite होगा. At the same time, the other hemisphere that is away from the sun gets slanting sun rays, so it is cooler. तो यहाँ पर होगा winter. Then यहाँ पर क्या थे? Days were longer and nights were shorter. So what will happen here? Opposite. Nights will be longer and days will be shorter.
the same time, the other hemisphere, that is away from the sun, gets slanting sun rays, so it is cooler. It has shorter days and longer nights. It has winter. For example, when it is summer in India, in northern hemisphere, Brazil, in southern hemisphere, has winter.
See. Now let's take ये हमने theory पढ़ी. Now let's take a real example. India in northern hemisphere, Brazil in southern hemisphere. So let's see what are the seasons here. When it is summer in India, at the same time Brazil has winter. Okay? Why India is having summer this time? Because this portion is getting direct sunlight and Brazil is getting slanting sunlight. That's why.
Regions at or near the equator receive the same amount of sunlight